Hello, guys and kabayan. I'm back from a long hibernation due to a lot of things happened, family and personal. Today, I will be preparing you a special dish that everybody's craving for, especially during a big family celebration or occasion. Seldom you can find it because of the preparation it takes to make one. Oxtang or lengua. There are multiple ways to cook it, either estofado, red or white sauce. Today, I will share you my very own white sauce style using only fresh ingredients, nothing from the can at all. Guys and kabayan, tara, let's start preparing the dish. Guys and kabayan, here are the ingredients. Fresh ox tongue is the main ingredient. Pressure cooked the ox tongue for 20 minutes, adding bay leaves, sea salt, and black peppercorn. Meantime, chop the onion and garlic using electric chopper. After pressure cooked, ox tongue should not be too soft and not too tough. One of the ox tongue skin has been peeled off. Slice the mushrooms. Saute the mushroom in a pan using olive oil, garlic, and sea salt. I guess the mushroom is almost ready. Transfer it to the strainer and let it drain, then set it aside. It looks so yummy. Prepare to slice the ox tongue. Ideal size is 3/4 of an inch. The ox tongue is soft and firmed. It will be sauteed and simmer to final desired tenderness. The next process is browning the ox tongue using the olive oil. Then set it aside. Next is the rib eye. Same procedure. And set it aside after. Time to saute the meat with olive oil, chopped garlic, sea salt, ground black pepper, and bay leaves. Next is drop the ox tongue and the rib eye. Mix to blend all the ingredients well. Add a cup of water, cover and simmer for 15 minutes or until soft and tender. Add the sauteed mushrooms and simmer it for another 5 minutes. While the meat is simmering, prepare to cook the cream using half and half butter, flour, and sea salt. Melt half a cup of butter. Then add 3/4 of flour, blend the butter and the flour well. not stop mixing using whisk and add salt to taste. Continue whisking until it turns to silky texture. Then pour it over to the simmering ox tongue and rib eye. Carefully mix and blend them well. And let it rest for at least 5 minutes. Wow, it looks so good. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and good night. See you next time.